Does coughing impact lung cancer MRI quality? Coughing can indeed affect the quality of MRI scans for lung cancer. When undergoing an MRI, patients are often required to stay still and hold their breath during the imaging process. This is essential because any movement can lead to motion artifacts, which blur the images. Coughing, being an involuntary action, disrupts this stillness and can significantly reduce the clarity of the images captured. The clarity of MRI images is crucial for accurately detecting and characterizing lung lesions, such as tumors or nodules. If the images are not clear, it may hinder the ability of healthcare professionals to make a precise diagnosis. In fact, coughing is one of the most common reasons for poor quality lung MRI images. Other factors, such as difficulty breathing or improper timing of contrast injection, can also contribute to image quality issues. MRI technology relies on capturing detailed tissue contrast and subtle differences in signal intensity. When a patient coughs, it disrupts the image acquisition process, making it challenging to obtain high-quality scans. To combat this, techniques like breath hold sequences or respiratory gating are employed. These methods aim to synchronize the image capture with the patient's breathing cycle, helping to minimize motion artifacts. However, persistent coughing can still degrade the quality of the images, despite these advanced techniques. In the context of lung cancer diagnosis and staging, obtaining high-quality imaging is vital. It helps in detecting small tumors, assessing their size, and evaluating how they may affect surrounding structures. For patients with lung cancer, chronic cough is a common symptom, which can complicate the MRI process. In some cases, managing the cough during the MRI or considering alternative imaging methods, such as computed tomography scans, may be necessary. Computed tomography scans are generally less sensitive to motion and may provide clearer images in certain situations. In summary, coughing does impact the quality of lung cancer MRI scans by introducing motion artifacts that can blur the images and affect diagnostic accuracy. This is an important consideration for healthcare providers when performing MRI scans for lung cancer diagnosis and staging. Strategies to minimize coughing during the scan are essential to ensure the best possible imaging outcomes. Always consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice and to discuss the best imaging options for individual circumstances.